Potatoes and cheese. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be sharing with you a mouth-watering recipe for a quick and easy snack using potatoes and cheese. To start off, gather the following ingredients: potatoes, cheese, cheddar or mozzarella, butter, salt, and pepper. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to heat up while we prepare the potatoes. Next, wash and scrub the potatoes thoroughly. Remember to leave the skin intact for added texture and flavor. Slice the potatoes into thin rounds, approximately 1/4 inch thick. In a bowl, melt some butter and brush a thin layer onto a baking sheet. Arrange the potato slices on the baking sheet, ensuring they are not overlapping. Sprinkle some salt and pepper over the potato slices to season them. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake the potatoes for about 10 minutes until they turn slightly golden. While the potatoes are baking, grate some cheese of your choice. Cheddar and mozzarella work best for this recipe. After the initial 10 minutes of baking, remove the potatoes from the oven and flip each slice over. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese over each potato slice, covering it entirely. Return the baking sheet to the oven and bake for another 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese melts and turns bubbly. Once the cheese has melted, remove the potatoes from the oven, and let them cool slightly. Serve the potato and cheese slices hot with your favorite dipping sauce or enjoy them as is. These potato and cheese snacks are perfect for parties, movie nights, or when you need a quick and delicious treat. The combination of crispy potatoes and melted cheese creates a satisfying and flavorful snack that will leave everyone wanting more. Try out this recipe and let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Afsan Farm's Kitchen by Afsan Farm Media Production.